Hello, classmates of grade 1. This is exactly the first and the most special chat I have received from you, which has changed and will change my life forever.
Dear love, I may never find words beautiful enough to describe all that you mean to me. Kamu kay. But I will spend the rest of my life searching for them. Hope, ganahan ka sa akong gift. See you later sa church. I love you, love. Kamu ka.
Dear love, Joel, thank you so much for everything you have done to me and to our relationship. I will love you, cherish you, and honor you forever. Accept this gift signifies that all our rights and blessing will be placed into one. I love you so much, my love. See you as I walk in the aisle, going to my forever, Kriza.
Sana all, my forever.
Tigil ang oras ko pagsapit ng hating gabi sa pagsigaw ng tinig, hiwaga ang dala ng ngiting umaapaw sa kilig habang ang langit ay nakikinig sa ating
Today, I'm going to marry the love of my life. I'm going to marry Krisa, my grade school classmate. Love, this is it. Naabot na gyud ang adlaw na atong gihulat.
Love, we both know na dili sayo na atong naagian. Before we reach this moment, all the trials, all the questions, all the, Anong siya man? But all of those were answered by one sentence. I love
ay
you.
lalakad sa hardin ng mga tala at paru-paro sa ating paligid. Sa bawat dumpi ng liwanag sa mukha mo ay may pag-ibig at pag-asang sumisikat ako sa pagkumpas ng awitin ay
Love, salamat kaayo sa imong pagsabot through ups and downs sa atong relationship. Salamat kaayo sa suporta since day one. Ilabi na nag-struggle ko financially pero wala jud ko nimo pasagdi.
ikaw lang